Hello and welcome to my channel. So I am in Outer Dispos and someone's asked me how do I use Nutty's YouTube widget. So I'm going to show you right here. So let's delve into it. So over here, let's go to desktop. Here we have Nutty Stream widget. That's not bothering me there. So what we're going to do is go all the way down to here and go to this one. And we're going to add, go to checkout, download, and done. So after you download it, you're going to checkout, put all your information in, complete order, download. So that's done. Here. Now this is all my plugins. And we're going to, we'll put it, Nutty Widgets. That's where I'll put it. We'll go to music. So you open this up. And then we switch to here. Now this is for the music. Now all you have to do is follow the instructions, as Nutty always tells you. Once you get down to here, you need to click here, and you'll open this. Then you go to Windows, Mac, or whatever you use. I use Windows. Click on it, download it, and you're done. So we go back to here. So we go back to my files. As you can see, YouTube Music Desktop. So what you do now is click on it and open it up. Open. Here we go. Let's minimize that so you can see what's going on. So now, what you want to do is go to settings, go to integration, switch all these on, switch that on as well. And then go back to Nutty's instructions. Follow all of these, like you said, and click here. And it should say connect. So you connect. Go back to your app, and it says deny or allow. Don't know if you can see that yet. Allow. You click allow. And it tells you to copy link. So you want to copy link. So we can close that now. And what you do is go into your OBS Windows Capture. What's my... I'm not really good at this. Alright, so now we're in OBS. All you want to do, go to here, Go to browser. Type in anything you want. I'll put this in. You want to add your browser. Click on this one because you might need it, and click OK. So now you've got it here. Go to your music app. Let me turn off this OBS thing. So you want to go back to this. We have another one here, which is the widget. And you want to click play. And there you go. And that's how you install Nutty's YouTube music widget. Thank you for watching, and good night. Also, if you want to find out some more videos about this, any YouTube that I've just done for you, like go to Nutty Streams, it will help you out with all the widgets and stuff that you might want to know. Others like NDLP, Gear Level, Finite Singularity. Go follow Blueprint, they will help you if you need anything else. Or if you want me to do more for you, just leave the comments down below and I'll sort it out for you. Have a good night.